The shaded sector of the circle shown above has an area of 18 pi square feet. What is the circumference of the circle? First thing to note is they gave us area, they're asking for circumference. It is so easy to get those mixed up. Don't let yourself do it. All right, the shaded sector has an area of 18 pi square feet. So this has an area of 18 pi square feet. And we don't know the full area. And they want to know the circumference. The only other piece of information we're given is that this sector is a 45-degree angle. So we're going to be able to set up a ratio of area to angle, because that's the only information we have. Before we do that, I'm just going to write out the formulas for area and circumference, because otherwise it's really easy to get jumbled up somewhere down the road. So area equals pi r squared. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Okay, now let's keep going. Setting up our ratio. 18 pi is the area of that section. Let's put area on the left and degrees on the right. 18 pi is the area and 45 is the degree measure. Okay, now let's put section on the top and total on the bottom, which means 18 pi over, I don't know, the area of the whole thing equals 45 over the degree measure of the whole thing, which, because it's a circle and circles always have 360 degrees, is 360 degrees. There's a ratio. We have a couple of different ways we could solve it, but before I do anything else, I want to reduce my fraction on the right just to make it easier to work with. So I'm going to ignore the left for a second. We're just looking at the degree measure. And we're going to reduce this fraction. I'm going to reduce by 5 because I see pretty quickly that it goes into both of them. 45 divided by 5 I know is 9. 360 divided by 5 I don't know, so I'm going to do it over in the corner here. 360, short division, 7, 1 left over, 2, 72. 9 over 72. Now I happen to know that 9 goes into 72. If you don't know that, it's still worth taking a look and trying it out, or trying out 3. So 9 goes into 72 8 times. So I know that this fraction comes out to 1/8. Okay, now let's bring the original ratio back. So 18 pi over something equals 1/8. Our options here are constant of proportionality. What do we do to 1 to get 18 pi and then do the same thing to 8? Or we can cross multiply. I'm picking the constant of proportionality because this looks pretty simple to me. 1 times what is 18 pi? 1 times 18 pi is 18 pi, right? Which means we're going to have to do, that's times. I'll do an x for times. We're going to have to do 8 times 18 pi. So I'm going to have to do 8 times 18. Don't forget the pi. Pi is a number. It's not, a degree symbol. It's not a unit. It's a number. So if you forget it, you're getting a totally different answer. Let's do over here. 18 times 8. $144. That means that this, remember what I said a second ago, don't forget the pi. This question mark is 144 pi. I'm gonna go pick the answer. Oh wait, it says circumference and we just solved for area. Look, this was the area section. Don't pick this, it's a trap. No, get away from me. Let's find the circumference. I calmed down. Area is 144 pi. Area equals pi r squared. So, 144 pi, oh, I don't want to use red there. I'm going to use orange. 144 pi equals pi r squared. We're going to solve for r. Gonna divide both sides by pi, because we can. Oh look, it cancels out on both of them. How nice. 144 equals r squared. And this is something you should probably just know. And if you don't, or if you have a number other than 144, you know you did something wrong. What squared is 144? 12. That means that r must equal 12. Now we still have to find the circumference. Fortunately, 12 wasn't even an answer choice, so there's no trap again. Only had the 1. Now, circumference. Gosh, I'm running out of space. Let's do it on the problem. Circumference equals 2 pi r. 2 times pi times 12, because that's what we got before. 24 pi. Yay.